Basically, one of the syntax is called 404 error on your website. Major issues from the failure for page authority issues. Suppose you design by 100 pages. Suddenly, unnecessary, you not check the 100 pages. Every page is working or not. Some unfortunately, on your developer delete the page. The developer delete that page. The page does not found. What happened? The page existing traffic will be there. The traffic will be 100 or 200 or 300 per day or per week or thing. So we lost the traffic. So don't lose the traffic purpose. If enter any page URL will be does not found. I'm setting here. Previous I have the gallery is there. Gallery.html. Now click. What is showing for? Page not found. This error means 404 error. Page is removed. Page is removed. And second error I'll show you. Go to Flipkart. I'm entering the wrong URL. Sir, why we enter the wrong URL? You have to say. I'm not enter wrong URL. I'm enter the on page URL. The page does not found. Previous the page is there. Now the page is not available. So I'm writing here. Samsung iPhone mobile iPhone repair. Unfortunately, the page you are looking has been moved or deleted. What they go showing us? What is my website showing us? Error. So here no traffic will be lost. They go to home page. Here I'm lost the traffic. So that is called you can implement by 404 error. That is mean by .xtaccess file is a hidden file. .xtaccess file. The name of .xtaccess file is a text document. So how to create htaccess file? Upload on your cPanel. Here any htaccess file we can't upload the cPanel. We can't upload the cPanel. That is called go to login cPanel. Login cPanel. Click for file manager. Any question in for interview. .htaccess file we can't upload the cPanel. It's a very important interview question. We can't upload. We can create. We can't upload the cPanel. They will be not access. It's a hidden file. Now, public underscore HTML. Here will be showing two options, file and folder. HTXT will be file, the text document. I will create the file dot xt access. TXT is a common here. TXT. Now select here. What's showing for .txt? TXT is not required. Done this file. What I'm saying for is a hidden file. Settings. Remove. Show hidden file. Save. Where is the file? If you check the .xtaccess file, go to settings, show hidden file and save. After that, click for edit. This is the total plain empty text. For 404 purpose, we can writing for one as a syntax. Copy and syntax. Your website will be HTML. Extension HTML. Your website will be PHP. Extension will be PHP. HTML place writing for PHP, no use. PHP website using HTML, no use. This is called redirect for specific page. Any URL will be wrong. Go to always home page. Go to always home page. Set it. Now. Search here. What is the page URL? Gallery.html. They're going to which page? Home page. So always is going to home page. Same like other website. I'm clicking for wrong extension. See always. Gallery f.html. HTML. Which page they're going to for? Services. So each website will give the different page URL. The option called .xt access. Code is for nothing but .xt access. This is very important. And remember, interview question. .xt access file can upload the cPanel. We can't. We can only create. This is a hidden file. Hidden files we can't upload the cPanel. Hidden file we can't upload the cPanel. Note down.